going to help you make money online. That's my job. That's what I do. And just so you know, I had an event over the past weekend and I had a couple cancellations. I created a free training after because I was like, okay, for all the people I missed, I didn't have anything. So I went back and I created everything that I presented to help a beginner, the busy mom, that they can do this. I have results, my students have results, and I'm currently bringing in more students as well. And my mindset, I had a millionaire as a mentor, and to just be thankful that this person took me under his wing and explained how he ran his business, principles of marketing that would help me in this local area for my other clients, because the type of business he had dealt with other businesses. And he's like, why sell it for $1,000 when you start, even if it's worth $5,000? He goes, why don't you sell it for $99? He goes, take my pricing model. You'll make more money over time. Plus, you have your creative marketing agency money coming in. You can help more people. And the second he said that, he was speaking to me from a place of growth, realizing that he was doing nothing but telling me, because he has makes thousands of sales and he doesn't have to have the highest price point. He could. He definitely could. He is the cheapest price because he's helping people. At the end of the day, people feel good doing business with him. And yes, he has other money coming in from other things. And so he knows he gives a great service. He takes a hit on it, and it's the one thing in his business that gets people through the door. It's like, the introductory service that is just so good that he's been able to just thrive off that income alone, build other streams out, right? But for me to understand that, and I'm like, he's like, why don't you just, everybody's got everybody's got $100, dude. He's like, do that. He's like, go grow your YouTube channel. He's like, go create content to help people and change their lives. Talk about the stuff we say and just go out there and give people a world-class product. Give them an opportunity. And that made sense to me because at the end of the day, yes, people got to get paid, but at the same time, I get it. There's always buyers for the best. It could make you think that the program's not worth its value when I tell you it very much is, because I'd spent 14 months figuring out my blueprint for Course Income Accelerator, how a busy mom or a beginner, just when they have some free time once a month or once a week, could sit down, boom, invest some time, get paid for that time, then invest over and over and over again, potentially unlimited. And then to create multiple streams of revenue, it became very serious in my mind that if I can just help more people increase their position in life so they can have more time with their families, so they can get out and give back more to the community, or so they can just pay a fucking bill, an extra bill once a month. I would rather feel good and give people a world-class program that's the cheapest price to change their life, and that is the Course Income Accelerator. This is going to be this channel's main program